All right, good morning, sixth graders. This is Ms. Erika Herrera, your vice principal, to review some school-wide expectations due to the behaviors that we have been seeing during lunch and passing periods. So it is very important that you pay attention. If you have any questions at the end, your teacher will gladly answer them, but at this moment, you have to make sure that you're paying attention. So let's start with the very beginning, okay? If you notice any incorrect behavior is happening, do not be a part of it. Okay, walk away. If you are being asked to walk away, to get away, go to another place, you must listen to the adult and get out of the way. Okay, you must report it if you see it and you hear it. You are here to be a great example of Man Middle School's 5 R's. Here at Man Middle, we're trying our very best so that you can be, the following. We are here to be ready, respectful, and responsible. We are here to show resiliency and resolve. Therefore, if you ever see any behaviors, you need to step away. Step away. Go away. Find another place. You are not to become a huddle. Okay? That is not why you're here. Okay? School is an academic setting. Second thing, we need to review lunch procedures. So during lunch, you will quickly line up on one of the available lunch lines. You are not huddling outside and taking your lovely time. You are to quickly get in line. If you have detention, you know that you are to report straight to room 401. Okay? Once you have your lunch, 2 hands, find a seat and stay there. Okay? It is not a time to be jumping around from one table to another, to be walking around and talking to friends. Your duty during cafeteria time is to eat. So you must find your seat, sit down, eat your lunch, have conversations with the people around you. When it is time to dismiss you to go outside, if it is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, the dismissal starts at 10:45. If it is Wednesday, it starts at 9:55. Even if you're finished before, you are not going to be allowed to go outside. You will wait until the adult in your section dismisses you. For example, if Miss Rachel is dismissing a table near her and you are completely on the opposite side, so let's say Miss Rachel's right here, and you're sitting all the way back here, it doesn't mean that you're dismissed. This table is the one that she's dismissing, okay? So you will see a lot of adults, in the cafeteria making sure that you follow this procedure. You sit down, you eat, you wait until the times until we start dismissing you. 10:45, 9:55 if it's Wednesday, okay? Once your table is dismissed, you take all your trash, and you go to a trash can, you put it in the trash can, and then you walk outside. Passing period. Okay, here's the next thing. You have 5 minutes. You are to walk to your class. It is not time to mingle and say hi to people, and share hugs and all that. You see each other all the time. You don't need to do that. Get to class, 5 minutes is a lot of time. You should be able to make it on time, Second thing, we have asked all teachers to not let you use the restroom on the first 10 minutes of the period and the last 10 minutes of the period. So if they're telling you no, it's not because they're super mean or anything like that. We told them. So don't ask, If they have a different bathroom policy during the middle of the period, you follow the bathroom policy, Also, each teacher has a tardy policy. If it equals 3 tardies and then it's a detention, you must serve that detention, Please follow all of our expectations. So with that, I want to make sure that you are in a safe environment, That's why we're doing all this. We want to make sure that you are in a safe school. When you become part of the problem by huddling together, then we cannot help you be in a safe environment. Always think, is it safe? Do I need to be there, or do I have to be somewhere else taking care of what I'm doing here at school, which is to learn? Only together can we make this a better school. We are who makes the history of this school, and you are a part of that. We are here to support you, to guide you, but we're also here to tell you what you are to do and what you are not to do. For that, we are the adults, we are the authority, and you have to be respectful to every single adult on campus. Sometimes we ask you to do things that you might not agree with, but it's not because we dislike you. It's the opposite. It's because we want you to be successful. So from this moment on, you need to make sure that before you speak, you think, is this something that I should say out loud? Does it help someone else? Is it helping somebody else to learn, to be in a better space? If it's not, keep it in your head. Okay? If you don't have something nice to say, don't say it at all. Okay? So every single one of the adults here, we choose every single day to come back here to math. We choose math one day, the next day, 1 month, the next month. We're here because we care. But you also need to put in your little 2 cents. You need to make sure that you're following the expectations. Okay? It is my pleasure to be your vice principal. I love being here. Okay? And I'm here because I care. I choose to be here. And I do hope that you choose to be here because you want to learn something awesome every single day. It's not fun all the time, but we're here to learn. That is the main priority of our school. Thank you so much, and let's have an awesome day.